Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be discussing how to fix failed to publish something on Facebook Marketplace. So after following the steps that I'm going to mention, you're not going to see any error like this. So first of all, you just need to go to your settings and then apps. It just takes a little time. Okay, after selecting apps you can select manage apps, go to Facebook, and from here you can clear the cache. After clearing cache, if still the issue does not resolve, you just need to go to the Play Store and check if there is any update there. If there is an update, you just need to update the Facebook, and that's all. That's gonna fix the error. If not, then you need to reinstall this app by uninstalling it and then reinstalling it again. So after all of this, you just need to go to your Facebook application and then load it again. After loading it, try again and you will be able to publish on Facebook Marketplace. And that's all. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video.